mouth open. It's kind of a blurred view of the face, but it looks
Like a
real
little
clear.
panda.
It does look like a panda. So we should call him Panda.
Let's see if I can adjust my angle here. Oh, you're going to turn away. Get back.
And he's had enough. It's like no face shots until I'm famous.
I think it hurts feelings.
Yeah, Nadia.
Just a little bit. Both the hands are right there now. There's one, there's the other one. Oh. There's one with a hand right on the mouth.
Oh, let's see.
Oh my
Like
goodness.
that? You want to correct that for you?
Sure, it's fine.